Today I'm going to show how to incorporate a pavement walkway within a site plan. This is our 3D view. Let's switch on over to site. There's our parking lot and our 4 plots where our houses will be. In order to add pavement or concrete, you need to go to floor. So I'm going to check and make sure I had this one as the one I wanted. This is our generic 12-inch 2 as our asphalt. I'll rename it later. So back to floor, generic 2. Now we are going to model some lines. This is how we can change our lines to be a little more curved. And we'll delete our old lines. Now we have a radial. Now I will offset. We'll make this a 5-foot wide sidewalk. So I'll offset 2 foot, 6 inch on either side of the line. Now I can delete my middle line. Trim our lines together, or at least make sure the box is completely enclosed. And there's our sidewalk. And then we can add some more branches going off to each of the buildings when they are set in the exact places we want them. Click OK. And there's our sidewalk. Has a nice gentle curve to it and is wide enough for anyone to walk. Push a cart or even drive a small vehicle through. All right. Thank you for watching.